with anime with
Oy, gago si marcusT!
Filipino.
Oy, shoutout idol!
Sana all.
Shoutout, shoutout.
Chill.
Good.
We only need one.
Yeah.
man.
Yeah. Yeah. Oh my god. Grabe tulpo. Yo bro.
Har du YouTube-kanal?
Oh wait. Like this one?
Hello, so welcome everyone. So for today's video we are going to react again on your request on marcusT. So the video is called How to Get Girls with Just a Silver Play Button on OMEGLE. So marcusT is back, boys and girls. Take care and do watch him, and also watch me and like and subscribe to my channel. Make the thumbs up, and without further ado, let's go.
Oh, threesome.
Okay, here we go. marcusT. marcusT is back.
Oh, well, we got a car, so.
Yo, I'm gonna get my condom first. Chill. Wait a second. Yo, YouTube fam, I miss you so much. I know it's been a while that I haven't posted a video.
Okay.
These past few weeks was so hard for me. Number one reason
I bet.
of course, my main channel got deleted.
Yeah.
But hey, I'm back with a new video. And I'm changing my content this time. I will go back to do singing reactions!
What? I mean, this is cool, but it's way funnier when he makes pickup lines.
Absolutely. Yep.
Alright, this is for the girl with the hoodie, okay?
Oh, thank you.
Habang bata pa sa damuhan magkabulan.
Is that karaoke?
Hell no!
Hell no. Yeah. marcusT, no matter what he does, he's so funny all the time. Oh yeah, there you go. Silver play button. marcusT, man, marcusT.
Oh, what's up, mamacita? What the Can you put the cat down?
She's kind of twerking at the moment.
No.
Cat is twerking.
Put the cat away. Okay, yeah, better. Yes, thank you, cat. Thank you. Get you like sit properly. Just sit
Too much
properly.
requirements, this marcusT.
Normally, though. Take your hands away. Yeah, yeah.
Oh my god.
Yeah, that's what I'm talking about.
I'll see something.
Ooh.
This is my shirt. It's gonna be taken. I used him as a pillow last week. This is kind of.
Why do you cover your butt? I'm just playing. I got one question though.
Yeah.
How do you walk with those?
With my legs, actually. I don't walk with my legs. I walk with my legs. In fact.
Your legs are broken, probably. No. What's going on?
My god. Street Fighter 2.
Take the first punch.
I love the things, you know. marcusT, he's in love with anime with Filipino.
Oy, shoutout idol!
Sana all.
Shoutout. Shout.
Oh, that's Manny Pacquiao.
I know this is marcusT. Bro, you're marcusT, right?
Yeah.
Mark, what?
marcusT. Yeah, marcusT. You're marcusT, right?
No.
Okay. For me to know that you're the real marcusT, can you say, hey daddy?
Oh, come on, man. He's a dude.
But Bayou. I'm actually from India.
Bayou. Turkey. Okay.
I'm Indian.
Wow.
Well, she believed it.
Were you trying to skip it?
No.
Oh.
And someone texted me like, "Hi, how are you?" And I'm-
Yo, wait. So you're talking to me right now, and you're also talking with another guy.
Yeah.
on the phone.
Yeah.
Bro, we need to chill.
My
You only need
God.
one man.
Yeah. 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 Oh my god. Rafe Tulpo. Yo, bro. Anyways, guys, if you're watching it, I am a fan of Rafe Tulpo in action. I mean, Rafe Tulpo is the king. I love that guy. There is not even one single Filipino person who don't know Rafe Tulpo. I'm not Filipino myself, but man, Rafe Tulpo is king. I love the work. Yeah. He's helping so much people, millions upon millions of people. Even the impossible, he can do it. Yet, I think that's a bad word.
Oh, hey.
You play guitar.
Not really.
No.
Not that good.
Come on, man.
Oh,
Don't be a liar.
because I want you to sing something.
Is it okay? Like it's just an okay song.
Yeah.
You're expecting?
Yeah, marcusT,
I'm
man.
expecting it to be really bad, so yeah, so interesting.
Oh,
Oh, yo,
Don't take it
girl,
personal.
yo, chill.
don't take it personal. What do you mean don't take it personal? Now he's getting angry, now you're gonna see, girl. Now you're gonna see.
Oh yeah. Oh, wait. I'm just.
Yeah, that's a really good song.
Fly me to the moon. Let me play.
Is she just showing off now?
Like that. You like that. Oh, you didn't. Oh, you didn't like it. Okay, sorry.
Jeez. Okay.
She's loading.
Have a good day. Bye.
Yep.
Oh, that was rude. At least a thank you would be nice.
Yo, what's up?
Good morning. They're sleepy. Oh man. No talk, no. I guess so.
What do you YouTube channel?
Oh wait. Like this one?
Well, I love it. I love it. Even he's showing off. I love it. Yeah.
Wait,
You're asking marcusT if he has a YouTube channel. Come on now.
wait.
Oh,
are
now
you
you're
doing
interested.
A YouTube video right now.
You see? You see? Now they're interested in him. Come on now.
Video right now.
Oh, what do you think? He's a YouTuber.
No, please.
Come on. Yeah.
Oh, hey.
Yeah. Why he becomes so serious?
Can I ask the girl in black? Is that your sister? Wait, your sisters, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
Why do you guys look like you're being held as hostage?
Yeah. Uh,
Are you guys okay?
Yes.
okay.
In case you're not okay, I'm gonna call the cops, okay? Hello, police officer. The girl in black stole my heart. Yeah. Alright, bye mom.
What was that?
As you can
Yeah.
see, I don't have a filter right now, but my skin, look at the quality of it.
Tisoy. He's Tisoy.
Look at that, daddy. No, but
Look at that, Daddy.
a word from our sponsor. There are a lot of people in the comment section that are asking me about what skincare or what do I use on my face. Yes, I feel
Okay.
like I have a daddy face.
Daddy face. What's that?
What are you using?
I'm using Noah, bro. I'm using Noah.
Ah, okay. There you go.
So this is the story. Okay,
There you
I
go.
found out about this because of Chito.
Tito Miranda? What? Tito what?
The Bisaya guy who has a lot of tattoos. So he promoted this skincare of his, and
I didn't know this guy.
I'm like, oh,
Chito.
yeah, sure. Then I tried it. So it's been a while that I'm using this product, and you can see the result. But so here's the crazy thing. The founder of Noah, no, bro, I'm not joking. The founder of Noah messaged me on Instagram. They
Ooh.
said he's been watching my videos, and at that time he watched all of my videos for like 2 hours, and I was like, oh, that's nice. And they want me to actually promote the product, which the product that I'm using.
Sana all indeed.
And I was like, "Yay!"
Sana all indeed.
If you click the link down below, you will get 100 pesos off. Yeah, that's okay, right?
Let's say it's okay.
But Noah actually gave me enough money so that I can also give back to my viewers, YouTube fam. So
There you go. He's not a
first
greedy person.
people that will click the link and buy a product, the bundle, the first five people, you will get a chance to win 5,000 pesos. 5,000
Wow.
pesos.
5,000 pesos. That's big in the Philippines.
I will only choose one person.
It's like almost 100 euro. Almost.
Only choose one person to win the 5,000 pesos. So go ahead and click the link in the description.
Oh, that's good. That's good. Look, 5 people. He's gonna give 5,000 pesos. It's a
What's the guitar in the back doing?
yeah. He has a noble heart.
Just leaning.
So you should pick it up and play it for me.
Well, I can play you instead.
Oh.
Here we go. Hey, I'm gonna.
Why scared?
0-2.
Yes!